Hey guys, we're at the gun range today. Today we're going to be trying out a couple different things. We're going to be running a sound comparison with the Griffin Armament Resistance 9mm suppressor. We're going to be running it with the 9mm, and we're just going to be doing a sound comparison with the 22. We're also going to be running some some ammo through this ETS mag that I got for this the M17. My buddy had it. He said he was having a lot of issues with it. I already can see possibly why. Yeah, that's just with 15 rounds in it. The spring's all kind of wonky and jacked up in there. I don't know if you can see it real well, but and my other ETS mag doesn't have that issue with the Glock. So we'll run it, we'll see how it goes, and we'll just go from there. Alright guys, so we're going to just do some shooting with the M17. I'm checking zero, that's why I mainly brought it out today. This wasn't really planned, but just going to do 15 rounds. I'm going to shoot supported from the bag, so nothing major. This is just going to be standard shooting with the M17. Made safe. Let's go down and see how it looks. Alright guys, here we are. I think I pulled that little guy. Don't worry about that little guy. So, alright, just 5 shots. Center mass. Not terrible, but I can do better. So, we'll run the rest of the 10 in that magazine, then we'll switch over to the ETS. So we're back. I'm just going to run the rest of the 10 through this mag, and then we'll switch over to the ETS mag, see how that goes. Not bad. ETS mag. My little red dot is a little too light, so I need to increase that. Here we go. With these loopholes, it's single touch, down then up. It's really nice actually, having the ability to be able to do that just on the fly. So let's try this ETS mag. I want to go a little bit faster. Just going to try and run this. I want to actually see if I can get it to jam or to not function. So. Here we go. Got a stovepipe. So we had one malfunction on the stovepipe. I want to run 15 more out of this mag, and I want to do it unsupported. So we're going to see how that goes. All right, got 15 more loaded up. Same issue. It's still kind of rattly and still kind of funky with the spring. Normally I'd be standing, but I don't have anyone to hold the camera today. So just go ahead and run it. 15 down the pipe. Not bad, surprisingly. So, I don't know what he was having issues with. I just had that one stovepipe, probably from not being used to shooting supported on a bag with a pistol. But other than that, I mean, even with that spring funkiness that was going on, it seemed to run okay. I don't see a real issue with it. So, chalk that one up for a win, I guess. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to run some you know what, let's do this one. Let's do the 9mm. Since I already have that magazine loaded up, we want to do just some rounds down range with unsuppressed and suppressed. So we've got 15 loaded up here. We'll just do a real good sound comparison. So, all right. That was 15. I want to load this mag back up, and we'll do it suppressed. Alright, got the suppressor attached. I can already see one thing that's going to be an issue. My sights are not suppressor height sights, so it's going to be kind of a pain in the ass to aim with this thing. So, it's hot. Let's get ready to run it. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Got a malfunction. It's going to be a double feed. Oh, that's a squib load. Not a squib load, but that one compressed on itself. Okay, this is interesting. What in the world is going on here? I wonder if it's a feed ramp issue. Going on a couple more down it. Here's the issue we were having. The feed ramp. I don't know if it's a little bit too abrupt for this Glock, but with this barrel, this Griffin Armament barrel, you can see it shortened the round down into the jacket or into the case. So we'll load some more up and we'll shoot some more. All right, got 15 more. We're going to try and load it up and see if we can't have any no malfunctions this time. This suppressor's already hot to the touch, so it's going to be fun trying to get it off to put on this little 22. Probably should have run that one first. Here we go, same thing. Same thing, let's try it. So, yep, didn't have as many that time, but I don't know if it's because this feed ramp just isn't broken in or polished or whatnot, but that was the first time shooting it with the 9mm. It's kind of cool, actually. So yeah, let's get this little 22 going, and I want to try and figure out how to get this off without burning the shit out of myself. So yeah. All right, got it off. Tactical towel. All right, I'm going to be shooting this out of the P22, 10 rounds. See how it does. Oh, there we go. Always fun to shoot a little 22. I only got one mag, so we'll load it up and see how it does suppressed. Alright, got it on with the help of our tactical towel over here. So, 22, see how it runs. I know it's going to run fine because we did it earlier. Just a sound comparison, really. So much fun. That's really the only reason why I brought this out, was for the sound comparison. That's it. God, I love this gun. Alright, continuation with the Glock suppressed. I'm just going to start breaking this bitch in. So, I don't think this is hearing safe even with the suppressor. I got mad heat waves coming off the freaking suppressor already. Love it. It's just a fun gun to shoot with suppress. It's my first suppressor, so I'm gonna get off here and just run it standard. That's going to be it for really the video. The rest of the time I'm just going to be fucking around. So out here, we'll recap back at the house. Appreciate you watching.